Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play harmonium on the national anthem. Start by getting acquainted with your harmonium. First, ensure it's properly tuned to a standard pitch, typically a 440 Hz. Next, find a comfortable seating position, maintaining good posture. This helps with breath control and finger dexterity. Practice operating the bellows smoothly to produce a consistent sound. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for a clear and resonant rendition of the national anthem. Now, let's focus on the melody. Find reliable sheet music for the national anthem. Identify the key signature and the very first note. Begin practicing the melody at a very slow tempo, perhaps at 60 beats per minute. Concentrate on playing each phrase accurately, ensuring smooth transitions between notes. Repetition is key here. Aim for consistency in both rhythm and pitch. Once the melody is solid, we can introduce harmony. Identify the primary chords used in the national anthem, often major and minor triads. Practice playing these chords with your left hand while your right hand plays the melody. Start with simple, foundational chords, ensuring they blend harmoniously. The goal is to support the melody, not to overshadow it, creating a rich and full sound. Consistent practice is vital for mastery. Dedicate short, focused sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each day. Consider recording your practice to objectively evaluate your progress and pinpoint areas needing refinement. Experiment with dynamics, varying the volume to add emotional depth. Finally, performing for friends or family can significantly boost your confidence and help you deliver a truly memorable rendition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.